What if everything that you were taught about money was wrong? Think about it. 10% of the world's population controls 90% of its wealth. Some people are working 14 hours a day, still struggling. Others working 4 hours a week and thriving. What's going on? What's the difference? Have you ever wondered? The difference is that the rich know something about money and how it works that you were never taught. If you want to become wealthy by learning how the wealthy think and act, then I strongly recommend you attend this training. This is now my life's work. I live to help people learn how to manage money and make money work for them so that they don't have to work for money for the rest of their short, precious, beautiful lives. 3 things you need to know about this training. Number 1 is that it is live. So I'm going to be there answering your questions. Number 2, it's absolutely free, no credit card required. And number 3, seats are limited. I want to make sure I answer all your questions, so we're going to cap out. The link to join this free training is in the description below. You have absolutely nothing to lose, but potentially a whole different way of living, thinking in the future waiting for you. I wish you a life of peace, of power, and possibilities. See you on the inside. Click the link and I'll see you there.